Good afternoon, my friends. This is your host, Sally Kasper. Today, I will make another video of fish. It's like fried fish, but then I'm using the PowerXL Plus Air Fryer. So instead of frying with oil, no more oil. I'll just bake in the air fryer with no oil. It's just you need to watch. But before doing that, please consider subscribing or like my video. Give me a comment, and don't forget to hit that bell button so the next time I'll have another air fryer video, you can see it. So my friends, my next video. Hello my family and friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make it's like fish fillet. Instead of deep frying, I have to use the air fryer. So since this one have a little bones, so it will be easier, so I have to cut it. So it's just like this, my friends. And then I'll just show you so it'll not be too long. Have to use garlic salt and put some salt. See, it's very easy. I have to use this too, but just so you can see how much faster I have to use. Black pepper. After that, you dip into, because there's only 4 pieces here, so I have to use, including this one, I have to get 1 egg and then use the breadcrumbs, dip in the breadcrumbs, see that, and then after that you just place that in the air fryer. I will show you in a little bit. Okay, here go my friends. Have to dip into the egg, say that, beaten eggs, and then dip into the breadcrumbs like this, like that. See, I will estimate the breadcrumbs so it will not be wasted. Like that. And then just pour some more. And then just put this in the basket. of the air fryer. See that? Still have a little bit more, so I'll finish it. I'll dip some more. I don't want it egg wasted. Here you go, and then just put that in the air fryer, and then just put 370, 400 degrees, and leave it there for 30 minutes. If you want it very brown, may use 35, 40 minutes. If I don't want it too brown, so I'll show you when it's done. The fish looks very nice, brown and crispy. If you don't like very crispy, maybe you can set it for 20 minutes instead of 25.